Vechain at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move after losing a significant key area of support at the 0.03212. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance. And all this is playing out after we saw an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 0.03392. And in today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that has been playing out on this chart and also give you my possible breakdown target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening since the 5th of July when we saw this massive breakdown move. We saw a very nice bounce to the upside where we first peaked in this Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, we saw a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this Elliot wave count 2, giving us a pullback target area into this blue target area over here. And after we fully maximized the target area and also put in place the low for that second wave, we continued to see higher prices in an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, in a move that also fully maximized our minimum target areas, which I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.02943, which is an area we fully maximized. We continued to see that aggressive bounce to the next area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 2.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.03425, which is an area we almost fully maximized. And having seen this extended Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, there are high chances that we now have a high in place in this Elliot wave count 3, and whatever we expect after seeing that aggressive bounce is a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4, and I believe that is what is playing out at the moment, having the minimum target areas being given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the 0.02923 and the 0.02778, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And this means that there are chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see a bit of a deeper pullback into this target area, get a low in place in this Elliot wave count 4, and once we have a low in place in that Elliot wave count 4, we can expect another aggressive bounce to the upside in an Elliot wave count 5, in a move that can easily get us above the 0.037 and maybe back above the 0.04. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart. In case of a pullback, this is the area to watch out for, and in case we see a bounce back, breaking above resistance and breaking above these significant highs, then there are chances that we could just see a shallow Elliot wave count 4, and we have started our aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action to continue paying attention to, and that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.